$100 welcome bonus.
Welcome to AVFX. My name is Jessie, and today I'll be presenting you this wonderful opportunity with the world's #1 and the world's largest market, that is the Forex market. So here in AVFX, we are offering this wonderful opportunity, that is the no deposit $100 welcome bonus. So today I'll be teaching you the step-by-step guide on how to get the bonus. So please listen carefully and take notes, okay? So first, we have to go to our website. Just type in avfxcapital.com. So this will be our homepage. As you can see, you can familiarize yourself with our website, go through the tabs. But first, we have to create an account. So just click on create an account and it will take you directly to the registration page. So this is the registration page. You just have to put in your details and information like your name, last name, your email address, and please make sure that the email address you're using is active, as we have to send in the verification link there for later, okay? And please also put in your active number as well. Then put in your chosen password. Once you have filled out these details, just check the client agreement, check the general business terms, then register.
How to redeem $100 welcome bonus. Let's watch.
Once you have already clicked the register, you have to check your email for the confirmation of the registration. So we will send you this email to confirm and verify your account. This will be the confirmation link. You just have to press this and it will take you directly back to the registration page and the sign-in page. Now it says that your email has been successfully confirmed.
This bonus is only for you.
Okay, once you have signed in, you will go automatically to our client dashboard. So this is our client dashboard. You can familiarize yourself also here by going through the tabs. But first, automatically, you will see in the account section that you have already and automatically received the welcome bonus 100. In some cases, the welcome bonus is not showing here. So what we have to do is click on the real account, then look for the welcome bonus 100, then get the bonus. So it will reflect in your account. So you will see this in the notification tab also, that your account has been created and you have received a $100 welcome bonus along with your credentials for the live trading. So this is your login and password for the live trading, so please take note of this, okay?
Bonus is 100% withdrawable.
The welcome bonus 100, your credentials in your email. Once you have already gone through the email, let's go back to the client dashboard. So in the client dashboard, you can scroll down and then click the all bonuses. Then please look for the welcome bonus 100. So here, you have to choose the account to receive the bonus. You will use the registered account, okay? So click on that. Then please read the terms and conditions carefully, okay? Then once you have read the terms and conditions, just check and click here. I have read and understand all the terms and conditions. Then get the bonus. Once you have get the bonus, just click here. Then bonus received. So congratulations, you already received our $100 welcome bonus from AVFX. So you can check all the bonus details from My Bonuses. Click here and then you will see all the details. So as you can see all the active bonuses that you currently have, you can see from here. So welcome bonus is here, receiving date for the registration, valid until the expiration of the welcome bonus. And please take note, this is valid only for 30 days. And the value, $100. And terms of receipt, you have to trade 20 lots in 30 days, okay? And the welcome bonus is active. So now that we have already received and redeemed the $100 welcome bonus, it's time for us to verify the account. Well, it is very necessary for us, important for us to verify the account to avoid any inconvenience for future withdrawals, okay?
Hope this bonus brings success to your life.
To verify verify your account. So click on this and submit all the necessary documents needed to verify the account. So press here, Documents, send in your proof of residential address, upload it here, proof of identification, upload it here. Any additional document as proof of identification is perfect, okay? Then after submitting all the necessary documents, go to the personal profile and just put in all the information needed, like the general information, your first name and your last name, your address. Just fill this up and submit for verification. So once you have already submitted this, we will send you an email once your account has been verified.
Terms and conditions.
So now that we have already redeemed the $100 welcome bonus and submit for registration, we will discuss about the $100 welcome bonus terms and conditions. So for the terms and conditions, once the bonus is activated, take note that it's only valid for 30 days. And welcome bonus can only be redeemed one time. And if you choose to deactivate the bonus, it will not activate again. And one user, one welcome bonus only. And also, you can only make 10 orders of 0.01 micro lot at a time, but you can do it as many times in a day. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for listening, and I hope you have a great day.
If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Also, please like this video, so that we will bring you more knowledgeable Forex videos for you ahead. Thanks for watching AVFX Capital Forex Broker YouTube channel.